Hello, my name is Jim and I'm a coach and I'm from Denmark in Copenhagen. A quick video about Jason West and his funnel and his service and support. What is awesome. If you want to get more clients. The first funnel I bought from Jason was the ebook funnel because I have two ebooks that I've written. The first one is about stress, and the other one is about managing up to your boss. So that was the first funnel, and the second funnel I bought from Jason was the strategy call. And the cool thing is you can link the two funnels together. The last funnel I have bought from Jason is the webinar selling course funnel, I think it's called, and I'm ready now to do a webinar with all the support of Jason and his service. And in the pipeline, I want to buy the what's it called, the product launch funnel, which look very cool. So if you want to get more clients, then work with Jason. He has your back, he's your wingman, and the service and the support from Jason is super. So yeah, that's out for me. Bye.